super strong and super clear. And I think that's the inner power of being Chinese.
木里木外代表着这种对称的关系。我们讲的是木头里面的文化和故事，以及木头外面的表现和意境。四合院是北京非常重要的一种空间或者一个生活方式，它能够非常好的承载国际东方的这种表达对木里的一些思考和想法。
It has the bones of the, you can feel a little bit of spirituality of a temple. To integrate modernity into something that has a noble history to it, like the Hutong temples, you have to be very careful as a designer. You have to work like a plastic surgeon. You have to do a precision and exacting. Our idea behind the design of the showroom was to kind of amplify that idea, to make, for instance, in many of the rooms we're wrapping the columns in glass. The glass gradates from light to mirror to pink to clear to yellow to softness. So we are kind of doing the same, making this moments of delight and challenging people in their sensibility of something old and something contemporary working in harmony. And I see that the core, the spiritual core of MULI, the history of being Chinese, because the pride of the details of putting things together, the connectivity of things, the colors and the patterns of things of history are now being thought in a very modern way. But still the core of making sure that the details are thought about, making sure that there's consideration of things, and making sure that there's balance.
我们将所有的艺术、中国传统文化，再加上我们的智能科技和高定定制融合在一起，回归到人和人之间的关系，回归到人和空间、人和家，大家的关系是更融合的、更美好的。所以我们也希望对于东方的这种审美，能够在国际上让更多人去看见。
And I think that he has the same notion about making life better for people. It's a business, but it's not about making money quickly, but it's about the sincerity of making beautiful things that are lasting. I think MULI exemplifies the sophistication and the sense of pride and the sense of being Chinese and what Chinese values are all about.